Press and hold the power function button to power on Osmo Pocket. Before using Osmo Pocket for the first time, make sure you have activated and updated the device. Now, here is a quick look at how to use Osmo Pocket. Osmo Pocket will show the battery level and the SD card's estimated remaining capacity. There is a slider shown on the far right of the screen to operate the gimbal's tilt axis. Slide the slider up or down to make the lens move in the corresponding direction. The tilt axis can also be adjusted manually. Swipe down on the main screen to enter the settings screen. You can set glamour effects, gimbal settings, full screen mode, and brightness settings. Swipe up on the main screen to enter gimbal settings, such as recenter, selfie, follow speed. You can also choose between different gimbal modes, such as tilt locked, follow, and FPV. Swipe left on the main screen to enter shooting modes. Then swipe up and down to switch between modes, such as photo, video, time-lapse, motion lapse, and pano. After the shooting mode is set, swipe left to adjust the shooting parameters. You can also press the power function button on the grip to switch between the shooting modes. Double tap to recenter the gimbal, and triple tap to make the gimbal rotate and enter selfie mode. Press the shutter record button to capture photos and videos. Swipe right on the main screen to check the footage and photos by swiping the screen up and down. Swipe right to tag the file as a favorite or delete it. In photo or video mode, double tap the subject on the screen to automatically enter active track. To exit the mode, press the function button once. When the filming is finished, press and hold the power function button to power off Osmo Pocket. Connect the charging cable to charge Osmo Pocket, and the status LED will blink to show the current battery level. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.